Welcome to the welding technology course. The course for the welding technology is PR 8592 and it is a professional elective for the regulation 2017. And here in this video session, we'll be studying about the solid state welding process of unit 3. So here in the syllabus, we have cold welding, diffusion bonding, explosive welding, ultrasonic welding, friction welding, forge welding, roll welding, and hot pressure welding processes. And we'll be studying about the applications, advantages, and the limitations of the all solid state welding process. So diffusion bonding. So in this model, we'll learn about diffusion bonding, its principle, working, applications, advantages, and its disadvantages. So diffusion bonding is nothing but it is one of the solid state welding process in which no liquid or fusion phase involves, and the weld joint is formed in pure solid state. And here it does not melt the welding material, and mostly a little plastic deformation takes place at the interface surface. And the weld is normally formed due to the intermolecular diffusion of the atoms. So this bonding process is normally conducted in vacuum or inert environment in order to reduce the oxidation, and widely used to join refractory materials in the nuclear industries and aerospace. And this type of welding can be used to weld both similar as well as dissimilar materials with the help of high pressure and temperature alone. And this diffusion bonding principle and working. So this process normally works on the basic principle of diffusion. Diffusion means nothing but the movement of molecules or atoms from high concentrated region to a region of low concentration. And this is the fundamental principle of diffusion welding. And here in this welding, both the welding plates are placed one over the other in high pressure, and the temperature is maintained for a long period of time. And due to this high pressure, force starts diffusion between interface of the surfaces. And this type of diffusion can be accelerated on application of high temperature. And here this temperature do not melt the welding plates, and mostly the temperature ranges from 50 to 60% of the melting temperature. And the entire process takes place in vacuum or inert environment. And in order to prevent the welding plates